Gcam 8.0 is here with us, and we're going to check out some of the new features that is with it and how you can easily install it on any Android device. So if you're ready, let's go check it out. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, and we are back with Gcam 8.0. The new Gcam 8.0 is packed and loaded, but you know how we do it. If this is your first time of watching our video or like our channel, why not click on that subscribe button and turn on notification bell icon to receive new videos like this. So what's new in the new Gcam 8.0? Now straight away you see that 1x 2x zoom, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the zoom. It's also in the video mode, so this will be very useful for some of us who love to do videos. Just beautiful. There's also slow motion time lapse right in the video UI. The flash is on in the setting. If you pull down the setting, swipe down to pull the setting. There's also improvement in the video recording also. I'm going to compare at the end of this video Gcam 7.4 versus Gcam 8.0, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a dedicated video for that, because there are sweet improvements right here. Let's look at the front facing camera here. There is 0.71x and then time lapse in the video section, and it's beautiful. And the first one I use doesn't have portrait mode. The second one I use from BSG. This one is from developer BSG. The 1x 2x zoom is using the same lens, so it might in some other ports use different lens for 1x 2x, especially for the wide angle or some other lens sensor. There is panorama, there is photosphere. Those are there. They are not new features, but I like the way they are being refined and the way they are now easy to access from the UI. So let's move into the settings right now and let's see what new in the setting. As you will expect, this is the first build from BSG, so there is no much features in the advanced setting. Of course, you can select the device you want. From my tests, all of them gives me almost the same thing, but apart from this, there is no other new feature added, but the refinement is great. As you know, this is the first build, right? This is the first build, so it doesn't bring out a lot of features, and this is just the first developer to port a Gcam that's for all Android. So I'm going to show you more about that when we come to the later part of installing, how to install it. This is the advanced setting. There is nothing much here about the advanced setting, so I believe that as more developers are porting more features, you're going to get much more better features in the future. So that's it for some of the things that are new. The night sight is there, the camera, the video. In the first build there was portrait. In the second build from BSG there is no portrait. So let's move on now. How do you install Gcam 8.0 in all other Android phones? So let's go to the Gcam Hub right now. There is a hub. I'm going to put the link in the description. You can also see it right now on your screen, and in this place you're going to see all the latest Gcam that has just been updated. So when you go in here, there's Anova 82 BSG units Parrot. So as you can see now, this is the BSG 8.0 that we use. The first one is the alpha build, and I even have a clone in case you want to install with another Gcam to compare. So as you can see, there might be some problems according to the developer, but as you can see, it's tested on 44 different Android devices to be working, so yours might be one. You're going to just check the link in the description and to see how it is. So you download the APK, and that's just the way to do it. Once you download it, you click on install and install. Mind you, this works with Android 10 and above, so make sure your Android phone is up to Android 10 to try the Gcam 8.0. and once you've clicked on it, given it the permission, then you are good to go with the Gcam, and then check it out for yourself. So I'll put the link in the description for some of us who really want to know where to download it from. It's a very good site. It's tested, and these developers have been proven over time to deliver good Gcam. So that's just about that. So how to get the new Gcam 8.0 and install it in your phone. as I promised earlier, let's just go in and see Gcam 8.0 versus Gcam 7.4. Also, let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a dedicated video comparing Gcam 7.4 versus the new Gcam 8.0 and the things you want to see in this comparison. And I'll be waiting forward to hear from you in the comment section. So that'll be it for now. Until I see you in the next video. Peace.